box 2. This helps the child to prepare color grading. Here's color box 3. Like in color box 2, we have to start off with our primary colors. Red, yellow, and blue. We're going to be arranging them from lightest to darkest. I'll do the dark, you do the light. Which one's more darker, the one on the right or the one on the left? The one on the right. Now we do yellow. What is more dark, the one on the right or the one on the left? The one on the right. With all three colors, like in color box 2, we mix the colors like red and yellow made orange, and red and blue made, I don't know, it tells you. I know what it makes. It makes purple, and yellow and blue make green. Now Chantal will be starting orange